There are two lower handles on your lawnmower, one on each side. The lower handles secure the upper handle pieces to the lawnmower deck. Each time you push down on the handle to raise the mower's front wheels, you apply stress to the lower handles. After years of use, the lower handles can fatigue and break. Replacing the lower handles is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cover from the lawnmower. Now remove the upper handle from the mower, and it's held in place with the two lock knobs. Now cut the cable tie securing the power cord to the lower handle. Next I'll remove the orange deck shroud. It's held in place with 4 screws. Now I need to remove the wheel lift tension spring. This spring assists you raising and lowering the deck on the mower. The spring is under a lot of tension. You'll need to be very careful doing this step. To start, raise the mower up as high as it'll go. That'll get most of the tension off of the spring. To remove this spring, I'll use a rope. I'll tie it through the loop on the spring that connects it to the adjustment bar. I'll tie a knot in the rope. And I'll use the rope to pull the spring back and remove it. The right side lower handle is held to the mower with a single bolt, nut, and washer. The nut and washer are behind this orange bracket. I'll use a socket wrench to remove them. Now I'll pull the right side lower arm away from the mower. As I do this, the orange push button is going to be lifted away from the mower because there's a spring inside of this assembly. The left side lower arm is much easier to remove. There's no tension spring, and there's nothing in your way of the bolt, nut, and washer. So to remove it, you just simply remove the nut. Now I can replace the left side lower handle. You'll notice that one end of the handle has a couple of holes in it, and these are to attach it to the mower as well as for the upper handle. They should be up. The opposite end slides down into the mower deck, and then I just secure it with the carriage bolt and the washer and nut. Now I can replace the right side lower handle. Again, the side with the two holes goes up. This notch down here accepts the tension spring. The spring just loops around that notch. You'll notice that the spring has two different size hooks on it, a hook with a broader curve and one with a tighter curve. The broad curve is the one that attaches to the handle. The side of the spring with the tight curve needs to be out towards the outside edge of the mower so that it can attach to the raising arm. With the spring in place, now I'll slide this assembly back down into the mower deck. Make sure that the push button is aligned for the wheel adjustment. And once everything is in place, I can secure the lower handle with the bolt, washer, and nut. This may be the most challenging part of the repair. We now need to retension this spring and attach it to the adjustment arm. Again, I'll use my rope to do this. It can be very helpful to have somebody help you with this step. Once you pull the spring back, they can use a pair of pliers to make sure that the spring locks into the arm. So I'll pull it back into place. And now I can just untie the knot of the rope to remove the rope from the spring. Now I'll replace the deck shroud. I'll reattach the upper handle. Secured the power cord with a new cable tie. And I'll finish up by replacing the top cover. And now you can install a new lower handle on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.